How to record a planting activity. First, you want to select the paddocks that you want to plant out. Holding down the shift key, you can select multiple paddocks. If you accidentally select a paddock that you don't want to plant out, just deselect that paddock while still holding the shift key. At the bottom of the page, there is the orange action button. Click this and then look for the blue plant button. At the left of the screen, you'll now see the new planting record where you can enter the details. At the top is date, person, used for, so you can enter forage pasture, forage other, fodder or crop. Technique, cultivation, direct drill, broadcast. Delay satellite readings, this will exclude the paddocks from your feed wedge. Weather and comments. And then you have cultivars that you can add, so you can have presets already created, or you can choose the species and then the cultivar. These are pre-populated lists and talk to each other. So if you select species, and then for example, we go to ryegrass, this will automatically open up the cultivars list and give the drop-down options for ryegrasses. If you don't find your species or cultivar in these drop-down lists, please just reach out to Pasture-io support and we will add them for you. Then you have rate and cost. And you can add further cultivars if you're doing a mix with this button, and then you can save all here. Once you've saved the details, you can then go back and edit or copy, export, or even delete this record.